Hi everyone. Do you want to go to a park and skip all those big lines so you can enjoy other amenities instead of just being waiting? Well, this is the right system for you then. Let's see how you can use it. First thing you want to do is register, assuming you still don't have an account with us. So let's click on register and start filling the fields. Just make sure you don't leave anything in blank. In any case, the system will tell you hints of what is expected for you to enter. On the code field for this version, you will enter any code you want as long as it contains just numbers. And you will need this code to log in, because it will be the code on the bottom of your receipt, which means you already got your ticket for that day. But for now, that code won't expire, so you can use it anytime. So we already have an account, so let's explore what we can do. Let's open the login option, and before we log in, let's assume we forget our password. So let's change it. So let's enter our username, our security question, security answer, our new password, and let's confirm the new password. When finished, just click submit, and your password will be successfully changed. Now from this window, you can also create an account, but we already did that. So let's continue on loading to our system. Let's enter our username, our password, and the code, which will be the one we just entered when we register. And as I explained before, it won't expire, so you're safe for now. Just click on login when you finish. Once we log in, we will be redirected to our account page. From here, if you notice, you can also change your password, if you decide to do so, of course. But we already did that, so let's continue. Let's open our account page again. On here you have the option to click on cancel, and this window will be closed. But let's click on rides now so we can start enjoying the park activities. From here you will see all rides available with their actual waiting time, which in this case is in seconds for demo purposes. So this park has 4 rides available, and all of them have different waiting times. Now you can add any ride you want as long as there's no time conflict between them. So let's add the Harry Potter ride. Now let's go back and add another one and refresh the other page so you can see that the waiting time refreshes. At this point, when I add another ride, the system will take into account all rides you have and make sure the waiting time of the new ride plus the walking distance from one ride to the other ride is actually greater than the waiting time for the ride you're trying to add. That's why the ride couldn't be added. So let's say you want to delete one of the rides from your account. So we just click on the X and a message will be displayed and we click yes to continue. From this model, you can switch the view of your columns. You can search for any criteria you want. So it's gonna be easier for you to look for rides in case the list is really big or you know exactly the right name you're looking for. Or you can choose which columns you want to see. For the ride you decide to keep, you don't even have to be worried about the waiting time you have left. You will receive an email notification with the ride name and the time you have left to get to the specific ride, and this will happen for every ride you have. You can show the email at the entrance of the ride depending on the venue rules so that they can know you're going next. Once that happens and your time comes up, that ride will be automatically deleted from your account. Now let's just log out and click OK after it so we can be actually taken completely out of the system. And that will be all for the user part. Thank you for watching.